Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's George. So we're going to do a C-notch on this truck here. We already took off the 2 rivets on this side, and we got 2 more to go here. We're going to use a Miller 625, cut these off, hit them up with a chisel, and come back out here, do the cut, and pop this in place. As you can see, I got to go up, but I got to trim down that little corner right there. Alright guys, so we got this in place. We got 2 bolts, one on the back and one on the front. So this one here is at an angle, kind of like where my finger is. So we're gonna have to re-drill the hole there. And we gotta align this one here for the springs, and then do all of these at the very end. So we're gonna get these 2. Alright guys, so we got a rivet under here, another one over here. We're going to cut those out again. So here on the bottom, I do this line here and here to find the center of the rivets. And then I go ahead and kind of align it on the outside, draw a straight line up, and then I use this piece of cardboard so I can go across, do my line, and same thing on this side. Since there's about an inch opening here, because it goes at an angle. So that's the way I do this. Verify one last time. Now I'm going to trace the line so I can cut inward. Alright guys, so everything is clamped in place. We have 2 bolts on this side. This for the springs. This is to attach the bracket to the chassis. We got 1 bolt on the underside here and 2 here missing. Then 2 more on the top plate here and 2 more over here to go. But for me, that's it. I did all the plasma cutting and the fitment, and I think we're pretty good. So see you on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.